In this video, we're going to be talking about the project dashboard and everything you need to manage your Centixpress project effectively. So first, let's talk about a new project. If you're starting a new web project with us, then you can click here to send your onboarding data. So that's all the information we need about that website to get started. Afterwards, we'll contact you to finalize the details. Your overview, active projects. So active projects is what it sounds like, any active projects you may have. Pending approvals in different stages of the project, we have different stages that require approval from you. So if there are any stages where we sent off for approval to you, you will be able to see them here, and then you can go to your project and accept the approval. Next, open support tickets. This is when there's breakdowns during the project or after the project is finished. You can submit support tickets and our team will handle them here. Next, the CentiPoint balance. Every dollar you spend with us, you get a CentiPoint, and you'll be able to redeem this for rewards and discounts and special offers in the future. Next, our project reports. So this is progress reports on projects that are up and coming. So for example, if I click on one of these, you can see all this data about up and coming projects. It lets us know how well the project is going, what's the overall health, and any roadblocks or any things that may be slowing the project down so we can address those things, or if it's something we need from you. Next, we have the project work in progress. So you'll be able to see tasks that are in progress that have been completed right here. So you know exactly how the project is coming along. And of course, any deadlines and milestones that are up and coming, you'll be able to see them here. Finally, you can have a list of all your projects that we're working on for you. And you can see there's a list view here or a card view where you can see all your projects. So this is the basics of the project dashboard. In other videos, we're going to go more in depth on projects in particular, but that's everything you need to know about the project dashboard. And I'll see you in the next one.